holds immense importance for having your lordships among us, and we want to express deep gratitude that your lordships found time to visit our remote and border district in these challenging turbulence of the pandemic. It is heartening for us. We expect that lawyers community in we hope will surely manifest itself in all possible ways. I again
Lord Chief Justice, he has not only come once, it is the third time when he has visited this remote district. Earlier, for me, it used to take decades when any from the family of judiciary, the higher-ups used to come to this remote district. We being residents of a remote district, and at the remote corner of the state of UT of Jammu and Kashmir, are very lucky to see the judicial officers who take keen interest in the welfare and in the upliftment of the advocates fraternity. And presently, within 2 years, 3-4 times, the Justice Magare, and earlier it was Mr. Abdul Rashid Dar, then Justice, they also came here within a short period of time. Though it is highly taken by the Bar Association of Kupwara, and with a core of heart, they welcome the dignitaries, these justices. They have made an effort to come here, and also we are thankful to our judicial officers who are here posted from different areas to this remote district. They have also made the efforts that even if I cannot say miseries, but in other words, it is a type of misery to be in such a far-flung area where the administration have a lesser this eye from the center, and sometimes we are missed to be looked into, and at the same time we are not here only the bar members who are practicing in the premises of the this Kupwara session court, but also we are joined by the bar members of Sugam court and Ralpora as well now, and from Tragam as well. And only that because of short of time, I would like to bring in the knowledge of.
I would instead request Lordship Vinod Chatterjee Kaul to kindly enlighten us with a few words.
Beautiful place, and it is my third visit. It is because I came here to meet the judicial.
Kupwara and all the dignified dignitaries and the galaxy of radio की तो वो
साहब ने रिक्वेस्ट करी थी तो जरूरत नहीं
चीफ साहब का यहाँ पे विज़िट था हमारे इस फारफलंग डिस्ट्रिक्ट के लिए। हमारी खुशकिस्मती है कि वो यहाँ पे तशरीफ़ लाए और हमारे मसाइल सुने, और हम बहुत सारी उम्मीदें लगा रहे हैं कि वाकई तौर पर जो हमारी लेजिटिमेट डिमांड्स हैं बार की और जो यहाँ पे फैसिलिटीज़ लोगों को मिलनी चाहिए, उन चीज़ों का इंशाअल्लाह अज़ाला हो जाएगा। हमें इस चीज़ बहुत मिशंस जैसा है, उनके एफर्ट्स बहुत ज़्यादा रहे और जिसमें हमने उनका पूरा सपोर्ट किया और इस फंक्शन को कामयाब